Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the speed in Audacity without getting that annoying chipmunk effect. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once it launches, you'll need to select your audio track. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard or simply double-click directly on the audio waveform. Either method will select the entire track and you'll see it highlighted on your screen. Next, direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on Effect. This menu contains all the audio processing tools Audacity offers, and it's where you'll find the feature that lets you adjust speed while maintaining natural pitch. Now hover your mouse over the option that says Pitch and Tempo. A submenu will appear with several options. From this submenu, select Change Speed and Pitch. This specific tool is designed to alter the tempo of your audio without making voices sound unnaturally high or low, which is exactly what we need to avoid that chipmunk effect. Once the Change Speed and Pitch window opens, you'll see a slider in the center. Use this slider and drag it to the right to adjust the tempo of your audio. Moving it to the right will speed up your audio, while moving it to the left will slow it down. The key advantage of using this particular effect is that it preserves the natural pitch of voices and instruments, so everything sounds smooth and professional. Before committing to the change, click the Preview button. This allows you to hear a short sample of how your audio will sound with the new speed applied. Listen carefully to make sure it sounds natural and matches what you're trying to achieve. If it doesn't sound quite right yet, don't worry. Feel free to explore and adjust the slider based on your preferences. You can move it back and forth, preview different speeds, and fine-tune it until you find the perfect tempo for your project. Take your time with this step to ensure you get the exact result you want. Once you're satisfied with the speed and it sounds exactly how you envisioned, click Apply in the bottom right corner. Audacity will then process your audio and apply the speed change permanently to your track. And that's it. You've successfully changed the speed in Audacity while keeping your audio sounding natural and professional. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.